A special hello to all you lovely people who are here today watching this beautiful tutorial. First, take a section of hair from each side, right by the ears. Then, just like you see here, bring them together. At the center of your head, we'll use a small plastic elastic to tie the hair. Now, using your fingers, flip the ponytail inward through the middle. Next, gather all the hair at the nape of your neck and secure it firmly with a hair tie. We're going to use this tool, placing it under the hair just as shown. Then, pass the entire ponytail through the loop of the tool. Pull the tool straight down to bring the hair through. Using your fingers, gently pull the hair outward a bit to create some volume. Then, use a bobby pin to carefully fix the hair in place. Now, gently twist the remaining hair, wrap it halfway around to the other side, and tuck it inside the bun to secure it. And to hide the pin, use this covering technique. My dears, I make all of these tutorials for you with love. So please don't forget to like and comment. Hello everyone! Today I'm here with a gorgeous style, a simple tool, and a fantastic result. Let's check it out. As you can see, we'll separate the top section of the hair and then divide the rest of the hair into two equal sections. And tie each section into a pigtail. Now take that first section we separated and drape it between the pigtails. Comb it, give it a little twist at the end, and secure it with a bobby pin. Then take the rest of that strand and make a small bun, securing it with another pin. And now for the fun part. We're going to use a long pencil and slide it through the hair right above the pigtails. Take a small section of hair from one pigtail and gently weave it first over the pencil, then under it. Repeat this step with a section from the other pigtail on the opposite side. Bring both ends together and carefully secure them with a small clear plastic elastic. And we'll repeat this cool technique with all the remaining layers of hair, just like you see here. So friends, you see that with a simple tool you can create a fantastic hairstyle. You just have to be brave enough to try it and give it a go. I'm sure you'll succeed. Some hairstyles are truly timeless. You can do this for your daughters or even for your mothers. And now we'll take all those tied sections and neatly tuck them in, securing them just like I'm doing with my hands. At this point, carefully slide the pencil out and look at that incredibly gorgeous result. We'll just tidy up the style a bit with our hands, just as you can see, and use a few more bobby pins to secure everything in place. Finally, if you'd like, for a stronger hold, be sure to use some finishing spray. Wow, the result is stunning. I hope you enjoyed it too.